Creating and saving a new workbook. In this lesson, we'll explore how to create and save a new workbook in Excel. To begin, navigate to the File menu and select New. Here, you'll have the option to start with a blank workbook or choose from a variety of templates. These templates can either be pre-installed within Excel or sourced directly from office.com without needing a separate web browser. Simply type the type of template you need and select the best option to get started. If you'd rather start with a blank workbook, simply double-click on it. Once the new workbook opens, you can start entering data. For example, the first cell in the worksheet is labeled A1, where A represents the column and 1 represents the row. You can confirm your current selection by looking at the name box, which displays the cell reference, e.g., A1 or G7. To make the content more visible, you can adjust the zoom level. Double-click on the magnification percentage, e.g., 100%, and Excel will provide various zoom options, such as 200%, 75%, or a custom zoom level. You can also use the slider at the bottom right corner to zoom in or out. To input data, simply click on a cell, e.g., A1, type the content, such as Test Worksheet, and press Enter to confirm. To save your workbook, you have multiple options. Click the Save icon on the Quick Access toolbar. Go to File, click Browse, choose the folder, name your file, and press Save. Once saved, the workbook name will appear at the top of the Excel window instead of the default. Book 1. Lesson 2. Navigating the Excel workbook like a pro. Now that we have a workbook, let's explore efficient navigation techniques. To move quickly within the worksheet, press Ctrl+ and moves to the last active cell. Press Ctrl+ Home returns to cell A1. Use the arrow keys move left, right, up, or down. Use Ctrl+ Page Down switch to the next worksheet. Use Ctrl+ Page Up switch to the previous worksheet. Adjusting the view. Click the zoom slider to zoom in or out. Double-click on the percentage to choose a preset zoom level. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse to move up and down. Drag the horizontal scroll bar to move left or right. Now that you're comfortable navigating Excel, let's move on to the next chapter. Lesson 3. Adding and removing worksheets. Excel allows you to work with multiple worksheets. Here's how to add and remove them. To add a new worksheet, click the plus symbol icon at the bottom. This will create a new sheet, e.g., Sheet 2. You can add multiple sheets the same way. To delete a worksheet, right-click on its tab and select Delete. If you need to delete multiple sheets at once, hold Ctrl, select the Sheets T. Then right-click and choose Delete. Another way to add a worksheet is by going to the Home tab, click Insert, select Insert Sheet. Unlike the plus symbol button, this method adds the new sheet to the left of the current one. You can also insert a new sheet by right-clicking on a Worksheet tab, selecting Insert, and choosing Worksheet from the options. Now that you know how to manage worksheets, let's move on. Lesson 4. Renaming and moving worksheets. Renaming and organizing worksheets is essential for keeping your work structured. To rename a worksheet, double-click the Worksheet tab, type the new name, and press Enter. Or right-click the Worksheet tab, select Rename, type the new name, and press Enter. To move worksheets, click and drag the Worksheet tab to reposition it. A black arrow will indicate where the sheet will be placed. Alternative method to move worksheets. Right-click the Sheet tab, select Move or Copy. Choose where you want to place it, e.g., before another sheet. Click OK to confirm. To duplicate a worksheet, hold the Control key, then drag the Worksheet tab. A plus symbol icon will appear, indicating duplication. Release the mouse, and a copy of the worksheet will be created. Now that you know how to rename, move, and duplicate worksheets, you're one step closer to mastering Excel. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. Let's get started on your journey to becoming an Excel pro.